Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lux Insider with Anita Khatri. Every bride deserves a timepiece that is as timeless as her love story. Today, I'm presenting 3 timepieces from the world of Chopard for the bride-to-be. The first pick for the bride from the house of Chopard is L'Or du Diamond. Now, L'Or du Diamond, if you translate it literally, it is the hour of diamonds. Now, as the name suggests, yes, the watch has a mother of pearl dial. It has brilliant cut diamonds on the bezel. And as you can see, this is also having a see-through case back. It is a watch meant for a bride who's looking for a classic, elegant watch, which is not only versatile for the daytime and it's very, very discreet. But it is a conversation starter, and easily the bride can wear this not only on the bridal day, but also for any of her evenings get-togethers thereafter. Other than that, it has a 42-hour power reserve, so it's a mechanical watch. A very tiny detail. I love the pin buckle. By now you'll know that. And this pin buckle also has diamonds. Isn't this a very classic and elegant watch? The second piece that I have selected for a bride is a bride whose goal wants to go for a bold piece and is unique because the name is L'Or du Diamond, unique piece. And it is indeed unique. You know, it has a malachite dial, as you can see, and it's basically surrounded by the brilliant cut diamonds, which is adding a halo around the dial itself. It's a mechanical piece with 42 hours of power reserve, but it isn't case back that you can see through, but it is of course rose gold. And it has again a pin buckle. Now this one is a bride who wants to really get a conversation starter, which is bold and it's daring, but it's very elegant and sophisticated piece. So if you want to choose or something which is unique and which is a standout, right, for a bride, then this is a piece to indulge in. And the last one is Alpine Eagle XS or extra small in gold and steel. And gold and steel, as the watch material suggests, it's a versatile watch. Why should any bride's watch should be only an occasion watch? This is an everyday companion. Now, you have a mother of pearl dial here, and again, there are diamonds on the bezel. It's steel and gold, so smooth. The strap is very, very easy, and it basically sits on the wrist as if it's a piece of jewelry. Other than that, this watch is your everyday companion. So, versatile, and not meant only for an occasion. Basically, a life companion, life partner, starting with your wedding day. Whether the bride is looking for a classic, bold, or elegant timepiece, Chopard has it all. Chopard gives you a collection which any bride can depend upon to complete the timepiece wardrobe. Let me know which watch did you like and which watch are you picking up. Do not forget to leave that in the comments below. And of course, if you haven't already subscribed the channel, please do press the subscribe button. And do not forget to also press the like button. Thank you for watching.